Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are going to explain the Caterpillar C11 and C13 industrial engine electrical system, especially the starting circuit, how the starting circuit is joined back together, and how to check and verify if you have trouble with the engine no crank no start condition. You step by step follow these steps, you can figure out and fix your problem engine no crank no start. Okay, first of all, make sure your battery trees in good condition and fully charged, and battery terminal and battery cables is proper and tightly connected. After that, you can come and check this complete and watch this video and follow these step by step this steps, and you can fix your problem. Okay, as you can see here, we have a starting circuit complete diagram. Okay, we have a battery, we have a starter motor, we have alternator, starter relay, and also the key switch. Okay, as you can see here, if we little bit zoom the key switch, all the story start from the key switch. Okay, as you can see, the upper B wire, it's direct feed the battery positive to the key switch. Okay, after that, as you can see, that orange wire, it's out to the starting circuit, especially for the starter motor solenoid S terminal. Okay, and the blue wire, as you can see, it's used for the auxiliary or for the running. Okay, accessory on like a fuel pump, fuel priming pump, fans, and etc. Okay, first of all, we need to verify this red wire. Okay, check with the multimeter this red wire, make sure you have a system voltages. Okay, if you have no any supply in this line, you can check this fuse. Okay, remove the fuse and check the fuse continuity. This red wire is directly coming from the battery positive. As you can see here, this is directly coming from the battery positive. Here in a pathway, as you can see here, we have a one connector number 1297-163 and 1297-164. Okay, and after that, this connector, this wire, single wire, is going to the fuse, and then out from the fuse, as you can see here, is a junction, and this one wire is connected to this positive junction. Okay, and one wire is divided to each components. As you can see, one wire is coming from the fuse junction to the key switch. Okay, first of all, we need to verify this red wire, make sure we have supply on this line. Okay, after that, rotate and your key switch to the on position. Okay, and then to the cranking position, and check again the reading with the multimeter of this orange wire. Okay, make sure you have a system voltage 24 volt out during cranking. Okay, and after to the on position, as you can see, this blue wire, make sure you have continuously output to the fuel priming pump, the radiator fan, and headlight, etc. Okay, if we follow this orange wire, as you can see here, this orange wire is coming from the starter key switch, and then going to the connector P515. Okay, and then N, and then goes to the starter relay coil. Okay, as you can see here, this is our starting relay. Okay, the starting relay coil, one side is grounded, as you can see, ground is connected, and one is directly positive feed to the starter relay from the key switch. Okay, when our starter relay coil is energized. This close the contact between the orange wire and red wire. Okay, this another red wire is direct feed through the fees and then to the relay load side point. Okay, this is the load feed to the starter motor S terminal. Okay, when this relay is energized, this contact will close and we will getting supply through this wire, orange wire. As you can see here, we have a starter motor S terminal. When the starter motor S terminal, the starter solenoid is activated, this turning our engine is start the cranking. Okay, after that, as you can see here, also we have this with the connector, the ground wire is connected to the starter motor and also with the alternator. I hope to watch this video to understand a little bit about the starting circuit of the Caterpillar C11 model and C13 model. If you have further any question, please write comment below in comment section. I will give you the complete detail about that, whatever you need. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.